On 2 or 3 of these guys.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got 2 brand new, boy, I didn't want to show up. There we go. It's a bright display. 2 brand new radios. They're just come on the market from PRUNUS. This is the J-329. It's AM and FM MP3 player. Has no Wi-Fi. It has no Bluetooth. And it does not do ATS. Sells for $16.99. It's approximately 4.3 inches by 2.3 inches by 0.8 inches thick. Fits right in the palm of your hand. Very handy. There's the buttons. Red one there, orange one was the power on and off. The next 3 across are for going through the MP3 files. The next one, MP3, is to select the MP3 mode. The one down there on the bottom is for FM, and then there's 2 AM mode selects or band selections for either 10 kilohertz steps or 9 kilohertz. And then there's the repeat function for playing files and a sleep timer. Pretty nice. Antenna is about 16.5 inches long. It does not rotate. There is a connector to charge the internal battery, which is 700 milliamp hours, and an earphone jack. Over here, we have the volume and the tuning dial. Manual tuning, no TATS, and in there, come on, camera. Well, right there is the slot for the MP3 card. Let's try it out here. We're on AM band, and we'll turn the volume back up. Oh boy, that's bright display.
Rack types that fit their mold, and then it took a
very clear audio.
Round 2 might play a little bit and help them on that side of the ball. Who's the opposite?
Battery indicator there.
He's like a veteran who's in college for a long time at 24 years
so
old.
You tune manually. The tuning's a little touchy.
But outside of the top 40, you're trying to find a positive with some upside. So I like what the tax advisor.
Questions about a new piece because it's 50 and 80. No medical exams, no lengthy questions.
There's no memories.
No waiting period. The application
just a basic AM and FM radio. Carrying strap goes right there, and then charging to charge the internal battery goes right there, and a nice little manual. Pretty cool little radio. Very basic, but what it does a very good job. I could show you FM, but there's too much music on FM. But I can show you the MP3 player because I've got free files from the YouTube library. Turn that up a little bit. Sound is awesome. For such a tiny speaker. Go to the next track. Not very exciting. Oh, it's so clear. I'm gonna let you listen for a minute or a couple of seconds.
Empty hearts.
And I don't know if I mentioned it has a sleep timer that lets you set it from 15 minutes to 240 minutes. Let me turn this back down. I normally have some radio that I'm listening to help me to get to sleep at night. So it's good that it has a sleep timer and will shut itself off. after that period, whatever you set up. Pretty nice. I want to thank the people at PRUNUS for sending me this radio. I've got one more brand new radio they sent me, which I'll be showing you in an upcoming video. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. It tells those YouTube people, or at least their algorithm, that you like my show and they're going to promote it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.